Bienvenue sur Chanel Jeff Denis 56.
Hello guys, how are you doing? So in this new lesson today, I'm going to teach you on the 15 most common verbs in English Creole. So firstly, we have number 1, the verb to learn. The verb to learn in Creole means apprendre. To learn, apprendre. To talk or to speak. This means slash, you know what I'm saying? To talk, to speak. In Creole means parler, parler. To talk, to speak, parler. To eat, manger. To eat, manger. Number 4, to drink mean boire, boire. To drink, boire. To do slash to make. To do, to make, faire. Number 6, to write, écrit. To dance, danser. To dance, danser. To sit, chita. To walk, marcher. To buy, acheter. To sell, vendre, vendre. To run, courir. To play, jouer. To win, gagner. To win. Sometimes in Creole we can use the verb to have for something that you have, you know, for example. But in this case, we use the verb to win. For example, if I playing for money and I get the port, I can say I win. Means gagner. To put, mete. For example, I put the pen below, you know what I'm saying? I put the pen on the copybook. It's meant to put, mete. Thanks a lot for being watching. This is the 15 most common verbs in English Creole. But don't forget, if you like it, guys, leave a comment and also like and share.